Hello friends and welcome back to the Technician channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI first ever 610Hz gaming monitor. The MPG 242R X60N is specifically aimed for esports player looking for ultimate performance. It's a 24-inch and standard resolution of 1080p, and this monitor has a refresh rate of 610Hz, which means smoother gameplay and noticeable clear motion, and specifically valuing during fast-paced competitive match. And the monitor is currently priced around 1000 US dollar and positioning a premium gaming category. And outstanding features like 0.1 ms great to great response time, and MSI has equipped with MPG 242R X60N with rapid TN panel and that excel at handling fast movement without leaving visible blur trains. And alongside the monitor include motion picture response time means MPRT technology and key feature that feature reduce motion blur, and this combination make taking opponent and following fast moving target much easier and giving competitive gamers a noticeable advantage. But the monitor isn't just about raw speed. MSI has paid careful attention to visual quality as well, and it peak brightness of 500 nits and support HDR10 attention to visual quality as well, and peak brightness of 500 nits and support HDR 400, meaning that games with HDR compatibility and can display rich colors, improve contrast and greater visual depth. In terms of color accuracy, 93% of DCI-P3 color space and 89% of AdobeRGB, and this makes the monitor versatile enough for professional use beyond gaming and such as creative tasks, video editing and general productivity. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.